Hello guys, today I've got Sennheiser Momentum 5 and I'm going to show you how you can easily create your own equalizer preset. As you can see here, I've got the application. This application is called Sennheiser Smart Control Plus. And here we need to scroll down, swipe down till we see My Sound. We need to tap it. And here I've got Graphic EQ. Tap it. Here I've got Create New. And now we've got Create with Soundcheck. Easy guide for creating custom EQ presets, or Creative Band EQ. Manually create custom EQ preset. I'm going to show you both. Here I've got Soundcheck. And now we need to just tap Continue. Now we need to play anything, like some music on our phone. So let me quickly play it. I've got it enabled now. I hope that you don't hear it because it has copyrights. Here I need to tap Start. Now I've got option 1, option 2, and option 3. You need to select which one fits you the best. For me, it's option 2. Next step. Select the option that sounds best to you. Option 1 here. Here, option 2. And of course, it's divided to steps. I think it's 5 steps. Here, option 3. And final step, option 2, option 1, or option 3. Option 3. Done. This is our EQ preset, which is created. Oh, I've changed that. And now if you want to save it, we need to tap here the stick icon to confirm. This is using the Soundcheck, and if you want to create our preset by only our manually, by managing the frequencies, we need to tap Creative Band EQ. And of course, here we've got our preset. We can rename it. And this is this one which I created now. And so you need to just here manage your frequencies and then tap the stick to confirm. And that's how it works. Goodbye. Here we've got, and before goodbye, we've got here Soundcheck and new preset, our separate too.